Introduction. Website redirection is an essential part of web development. Redirecting a website or a web page means sending the user from the URL they initially requested to a different URL. The article provides different ways to implement HTML5 website redirect with examples, common mistakes, and tips to avoid them. Meta refresh redirect. This is the simplest form of redirection and can be done directly within the HTML of a page. The meta refresh tag is placed inside the head section of the HTML document to specify a delay before the browser automatically redirects to a new page. The 0 in the refresh content represents the number of seconds the browser should wait before executing the redirect. JavaScript redirect. JavaScript can be used to implement a more dynamic redirect, especially when the redirect depends on certain conditions. The script will immediately redirect the user to the new URL when the page loads. History API. The HTML5 History API allows the manipulation of browser history through JavaScript. Using the push state method, a redirect can be created without reloading the page. This method changes the URL in the browser address bar but doesn't load the new page. Tips and common mistakes. Always test redirects thoroughly to avoid faulty redirects that can harm user experience and SEO. Use server-side redirects whenever possible as they are quicker and more reliable. Avoid using meta refresh for important redirects as it's not recommended by most search engines. Beware of redirect loops that can cause the browser to crash. JavaScript redirection won't work if the user has disabled JavaScript in their browser. Conclusion. Website redirection is a powerful tool for web developers. Understanding how each redirection method works and when to use it is crucial. Always consider users and SEO best practices when implementing redirects.